County Citizens Academy is a first-hand immersive look at how local government works. It's a great chance for us to educate participants about Pasco County services, as well as to learn from them and share ideas about how we can better serve you.
I'm hoping to learn more about what the county already does, and with all the innovation and things that are going on in the area, looking forward to hearing what they're planning on doing in the future, and perhaps maybe I can get involved at some point.
And decided to get more involved in the county and take the Citizens Academy and maybe get more involved on the solution side rather than just the complaining side.
I'm feeling a little disconnect with what's going on in the county and where I want the future of the county to be. I've never had a chance to be involved, so I wanted to come today and start off this journey of learning about county government.
Citizens Academy participants have direct access to leaders within the organization during question and answer sessions. We bring them behind scenes to the facilities, equipment, and processes that serve our customers across 57 lines of business. The experience includes places that they might be familiar with, like our libraries, parks and government center offices, as well as places normally closed to the public, including our emergency operations and 911 call center, water treatment plant, and more.
I would recommend the Citizens Academy for a myriad of reasons. There's just a lot of things that you're going to learn here, and you'll learn to appreciate Pasco County even more by being in this program.
It's just a wealth of information that you don't normally know how to find on the websites, or just even people who have lived here for decades. They say they don't even know half the stuff I've been sharing with them that I've learned through the class. So I think it's worth it. I mean, if there was like a second level to it, I'd do that too.
So if you want to learn more, come join us. We look forward to sharing how our people, purpose, and performance serves our communities each day.